Hello.
I welcome you on behalf of VIBE, Viva Institute of Behavioral Advancement. This is the first program of VIBE. Before we begin, we have lost, as you all know, we have lost our missile man. Let us all pray tribute to this great legend. I request you all to stand up and maintain 1 minute silence. Amen. We try and seek the blessings from the Omnipresent. Let us all pray Goddess Saraswati by lighting the lamp. I request the Chief Guest Swamiji, Principal Sir, Trustee Sanjeev Dada, Principal Madam and Putti Sir to light the lamp. या ब्रह्माच्युत शंकर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा निःशेषजाड्यापहा. May I please now request our principal, Dr. Bhagat, to say a few words about the college.
Good morning, all of you. It is actually the first program of VIBE, and previously we had decided that the students should be there, but what we think that whatever the things which will be discussed or which will be given by Swamiji will be percolated directly to the students, and that is the best tool as teachers. And first thing it is necessary to have the dialogue with teachers, and that's why this is the first program. And I feel very happy that Swamiji has accepted our invitation. I think this is his third or fourth time, but with our senior college, means degree college, we are having this is first time interaction. So I expect very good interaction. Thank you.
May I please request Mr. Putti, the management representative, to speak few words about Vibe.
Very good morning to all of you. On behalf of Viva Trust, I have great pleasure to have Swami Nirmihanandaji to our college, who will be speaking to the staff members on a topic. It's written there, you will be able to know that. Now, Swamiji, a few words about Vibe. Vibe actually is for Viva Institute of Behavior Enhancement. The basic aim of Vibe is to have better quality children. And this thought has had occurred to us as and when we were having, you see, the counselor madams with us. We found that the children, they do meet the counselor madam, and in spite of that, it's necessary that the children should be addressed by counselors in the classroom for a long period of time. And then only the so-called behavioral change will take place as far as the children are concerned. And that is how we started with Vibe activity. All of you are aware of the fact that the counselor madam does come to us on every Tuesday, and she does interact with the children who are having problems of various or multifarious nature. But we do have children when, we have found that there is even psychiatric help which is required. To that state it has gone to. So when such children are there in the classroom, maybe the teachers also find it extremely difficult. The teachers are not able to manage such kind of children. That has happened in the past. And plus, we also do have teachers who have been counseled by the counselor madam. So today the basic aim is to speak about, you see, the so-called thing, happiness. What exactly you mean by happiness? Whether it can be said as a mirage or something else. This is something which I think as a teacher one has to specifically try to understand. Because if you go to the classroom with an unsettled, unhappy attitude, you are unwelcome in the classroom. And that is what which we have to try to avoid. So unless we can raise our nature, materialistic happiness is something which of course I will not even refer to. Beyond that, or maybe like you see the musk deer that is searching for the musk, it comes from within. One should try to. So I thought Swamiji will be the right person to talk to, because he is deeply involved in such kinds of upliftment of the youth, or maybe human beings, I will say. So we did have interaction, so he said, I will definitely come and then try to address the staff members. So Vibe aims at that. Not only the children, even the staff members also should have a happy or an enlightened heart. And then only one can become a successful teacher. And that is what Vibe aims at. Maybe we will have such sessions in future, as and when we will be having enough time to, because as you know, the exam pattern that has undergone a vociferous change, I can say, that has restricted us having minimum number of, I can say, this type of activity. But let me assure you, on behalf of Vibe, we will be having more and more programs to the students. Definitely, we do have, I think maybe Rashmi Madam will be talking to you about that later. But we will have such kinds of programs to the teachers also. So on behalf of Y, one more time I welcome Swamiji as well as all the others who are on the dais as well as the teachers too. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Kutti sir. There is no path to peace. Peace is the path. Well said by Gandhiji. We all know this, we all agree to this. But do we really know how to achieve this path? How to know where is this path? Where does this begin from? Our day-to-day life has become so hectic. We are pursuing goals at personal level, at academic level, at professional level, social level. In this haphazard life, do we really seek peace? I'm hoping forward to gain insight very well in depth from today's lecture. I request the Vice Principal, Prajakta Madam, to introduce the chief guest of today's function.
Good morning to all. Good morning to Swamiji and respected dais. It's my immense pleasure to introduce today's chief guest, Swami Nirbhayanandaji, a software engineer in his Purvashram and has been involved with Chinmay Mission and its activities from his childhood. Served as a General Secretary for Youth Wing in Chinmay Mission, Mumbai in his late 90s. He took up learning Vedanta as full-time student in 2002 to 2004 under the tutelage of Swami by Pujya Guruji Swami Tejomayanandaji. He has been conducting workshops in B schools, educational institutions and corporates also. He is known for his sessions on parenting, stress buster models and talks on human values based on Bhagavad Gita and Upanishad. Being a teacher, how teachers should be, everybody feels that we are teacher and we are doing something great. But is really we are doing that? We are giving justice to our profession or not? To give insights on this, today's talk is happiness according to Hindu religion, its necessity in today's world. I welcome Swamiji for the talk. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam. May I please request now Sanjeev Dada to felicitate our chief guest with a shawl, shrikhal and flowers. Thank you so much. Without wasting any more time, we will hand over the mic to Swami.
Hari Om. Can I have the volume more, please? All the teachers, as one of the madam said, not every teacher is remembered, but visionary teachers are not only remembered but quoted again and again, and shall be quoted by the teachers of his growth. Nothing stopped him from achieving the great heights. Think. If I say that, let us think of आदि शंकराचार्य, स्वामी जी किसने सुना है उनके बारे में? कुछ 3000 साल पहले। Swami Vivekananda, not during our time. Swami Chinmayananda, not during our time. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, not during our time.